thank South Africa and my family for being supportive to the whole situation. And nalabantu abebengisupporte engingabazi ngisho nokubazi South Africa besho ukuthi ecaleni angikho. And I would kindly like to send my gratitude to umndeni ka-Olerato ukuthi nawo umntala awubahlenge kule simo ababhekene naso. And nabantu abathi bafuna ukungisiza nabo la kuma-social media abathi ngibane ama-details ngoba kwamanje into zami isafriziwe. Abantu ababengafisa ukungisiza bebengasendela kusisi wami omdala kwi-account number yakhe yakwa-Nedbank okwamanje. Ngalolu nga-appreciate lonke usizo lungaqhamuka kubona ngayo yonke indlela. So ngiyasho ngisafisa uphinde ukuthi sometimes life inokufunda kanzima ngoba impilo yami besesebungozini. So ngiyabonga nakumdala ukuthi ungihlengile nje wangigcina ngiphephile kuso sonke lesimo. Ngiyabonga South Africa, ngiyabonga nomndeni wami, ngiyabonga nama-supporter ama-neighbors anginike wona. Ngibonge ngixolise futhi nokuthi i-recklessness nokungabi responsible ekugcineni ngakufaka ekodini.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkhosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ufezile Ngubane uthi yabonga kuNingizimu Afrika ngesupport labamnikede yona, uthi amninikede lithuba lokuthi aqale kabusha impilo yakhe njengoba besikatinikele eDzakamivini. Ufezile Ngubane he's 40 years old, lotiphelela ngokwasha atemoto lapha eKasi kwamasho, and uthi yabonga kakhulu for support lebantu bamkhombise yona. Ufezile smart ngokuthi bakhiphe isithombe sakhe ezimsolwa lapha eqaleni la Olerato Mongale baba kwa decide ukumixa lapha police station. That's when he was cleared as a victim identity theft. It turned out ukuthi that guy that actually the perpetrator labambulele wayathatha ama ID yakhe wasasane wathatha ID yakhe actually wayovula ma bank account makasuka lapho wa register wa recover sim card acta ngazuthi ungifezile. That's why abemsola kuliqala as someone who was involved, and he was later cleared ukuthi awushemi uyi-victim identity theft. And balabaningi they said ukuthi they want to help him since babonile ukuthi urevealile naye ukuthi udibhemela Dzakamiva nangokuthi akafuni ukudibhema Dzakamiva. Uyafisa kekela uqala lisite abantu ngokuthi bamise rehab, and bantu they are actually donating imali for Ufezile by donate imali bayifaka ekhadini laseswakhe. Uqelile ukuthi niyifake ekhadini laseswakhe since yena into takhe tisaseyinqaka. I remember makhiphe picture yaFezile guys, bavele bakhetha the worst picture. Usavele sabona ukuthi yabona lo vele sigebengu serious kubo bonke nje ngiyele vele sabona ukuthi hey kuyamfanela akuyenda lento vele lo uyambona ukuthi vele umgulukudu. Guys, looks can be so deceiving. Looks can be so deceiving. Sithe masimbona khuluma laphana ku TV uFezile seva unkosi yami ukuthi English iphuma ngemakhala, iphuma ngetinyawo, iphuma ngekonke. Accent yakhona the best. So people are saying ukuthi they want kumsita kuFezile bamnikede futhi impilo lesha. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.